Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Mobile, you must stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
I don't see, but je voulais savoir que j'allais à Batchou. Laisse-moi vivre out.
Yeah, man, blessed love and greetings. Blessed morning, a pleasant good morning, and not to one and all. Welcome to Lion for TV. We say give thanks to life Friday morning, the 15th of September. Give thanks to life, you know, another day, you know. You see me, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, I'm the man of peace. See it? Never left the batch. I want to take a shout out to everybody on the platform. Rest in peace, Zion. See my friend cry last night. You know what I mean? Very emotional, very touching. You know, stay strong, Didi. You know, it's easy said than done. You know, it's not nice to bury your child or your loved one. See? Yeah, man. For the first year tuning in on the channel, please consider subscribing, click the bell. So I say, yeah, man, make sure you click the bell, because if you don't click the bell, you won't be alerted when I post a content. See? Yeah, man. So that's myself. Blessed love, Holy Emmanuel life. Yo, shout out to Chucky Star. Big up yourself in the stoop. The whole of New York, you know, we tune in, you know. So I say, yeah, man, Marlene, big up yourself. Better and Progressive, big up yourself. Jill, big up yourself. It's a pleasure, it's a joy. You see we all PL nights last night. You see me 9 night of Zion. You see me? But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, in this vlog, yeah, we're going to show you, say, in a land the stop and search thing is a good thing more time. You see me, I say, sometimes the police them do them job and the citizens make it hard for them. You see me? Yes, there's a two-way to it. You see me, I say, you have some police who just want to take advantage. I have some police that do them job. So I'm going to show you what I go on. Police catch a look at you with a big machete. You see me?
Why, see you
Yes, and we also have a man in a jail in Jamaica, allegedly in take some life, you know, and like pressure bus pipe in a jail, man a cry. I say, yo, is it? Yeah, man, so no further delay, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know. Check out my single, Welcome to Kingston. Zine? Yeah, man.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Pussy Tuesday, boom, boom, I represent. Can't tire the dance, I check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.
Alright, that is available on all digital platforms. You see it? All digital platforms, you know. Big up yourself, Ras Charma. Excellence, big up yourself. J Model, big up yourself. See me? Yeah, man, so first, the local youth, watch where I go.
And stop and search in Cricklewood yesterday, a large machete found.
Oh, fucking no.
At the moment, you're under arrest, alright? Possession of an offensive weapon.
That's so good fun. I haven't bad.
Fucking no. Look.
That's so good. What did you say? Right? Reason for the arrest is we've searched you. I got this on you, alright?
Yes, my people, you see what I go on? Police stop and search and a long machete them take out time waist, you know. Look how young he is. He's about 13. He look like him about 12, 13, maybe 14. But look on the long machete where him have, man. Jesus, peace of Nazareth. You see me? Look on the long machete where the youth have. No, sir. Right now, them police save a life, because I don't know where I'm going to do with that. You see me? Him should have been in school and look where I walk with big long machete. And right now, them put a ban on machete and them call it shanks in England. Because the youth them die young, man, the youth them take them one another life. And as I say, it's not nice for your parents to bury your loved one. You see me? It's not nice, you know, say, and get the news for you, say your son gets stabbed and, you know, sometimes you innocent youth lost them life because of gang war and postcode war. You see me? So the parents them in the UK, I beg you to stay strong. Talk to the kids. I know it's easier said than done. It's hard work. The youths them now listen. Them want money. Them get bribed by the bigger ones. Them the drug dealer them. But talk to them. Tell them, you know, talk to them. Fathers be there for your child. Cause if you don't, them are gonna grow vulnerable and wild. Mothers be there for your child. Teach them how to live them life as a juvenile. You see me? Yes, man. So when I see the police them out there do them work, I stop and search. Make them do them work. Don't harass them. Don't antagonize them. You know, make them do them search. If them don't find nothing, the youth can walk freely. But when you see the police and do them job and you know, butt in and start video and a cuss, why you searching? Why this and that? Police do them job because they may save a life. You see what I say? Yes, man.
Ricky Coffee! Big up Anthem! Straight! Rest in peace, Zion! Yeah, DD that said nothing. We're there. That time. Original.
Alright, moving on now, the brother here in that prison, I cry, pressure bus pipe. Them say allegedly take some life, and me don't know. You see me, but anyway, watch what I go on.
I don't know, see, but tribulation with child and I got through. That's how me from out of it. Yeah, no family help me. When I have my body, I have my back. Actually, I'm not even do what me I got through. That just me and God. They got make it through the struggle for no matter how long, matter what. Almighty God, may I pray for me, may I call upon God. They love me, they not. Tired of this, fed up, stress, preach a broken point of me. Give up on people, but literally paranoid that you touch people. Paranoid. No man not even know how man feel, Virgin. Yeah, man not even know blood. So we just have to take it days by days and nights by nights. Call up Papa God.
Yeah, Joseph from out of Pienland. Yeah, big up. Yes, no man curse. Yeah, big up. Fretty.
Jano Star, you see it? Pressure bus pipe, you saw man a cry. So man a ball in jail. Jano Star, my viewers and subscribers. To the youths them, badness not pay. You see me? Badness don't pay. Live by the gun and shallow, die by it. You see me? I say reap where you sow. The energy where you put out of that you get in. You see it? So stay away from crime. No youth to lose them life innocently and guilty. You see me? Yes, but we just want the crime to stop. But yeah, man, we don't know some man love jail, saying I want to go to jail, you know, them come out and go in back. Some man better off in a jail because them life more spareable, you know? Yeah, some like, I don't know jailhouse. Them say prison never make for dogs. Some don't say, oh, some man love jail, so. You see me? Yeah, man. Them come out, go and do crime again and go back in again. You see me? Sleep on concrete and, you know, 10 man in a one cell, 5 man in a one cell. Man all throw a piss bucket by you and them sitting there, you see me? The food, you know? You know what I tell a story? Prison life, no nice. You see me? Jailhouse and a bed of rose. In there you can't move covered like no mouse. You have to prepare when you're in there. Dead for your life and protect your rear. You see me? If you are subscribers, we are telling us that. Look how the man shed the water, man. I don't know if him do the crime for true or not. But I that them say him take some life and dirt some people and why beg for forgiveness. Enough man go to prison and change them life. Man go to prison and mad. You see me? Man go to prison and say them, nah, go back there so because it's the worst place. You see it? But east to the moon, you know, you spread the bed, you lie in it. You see me and some viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, a lion foot, you know, big up on yourself. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Big up the whole New York, London, Bronx. So I say Queens, Brooklyn, Chucky, big up yourself, you know. Foodman, Pineland, Jungle. So I say Tivoli, Rima, lion foot at the man of peace. I will say slow the bass, stop the crime. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Jew, Rastafari, blessed love.
Used to run the eradication squad. And the promoter police squad. The man that get him out of the place. That's them a fun. That's them a fun. That's them a fun. Lord, them are supposed to lead and Jim Brown did that. But that in never little inherit well mad. So what do those of the young educated that? So what posse and they click them out and